At this juncture, I will call Mrs. Hasmin A. Kaya to the turnover of the project of the PCCA for the school year 2024-2025.
Our respected public school district supervisor, our dedicated school administrator, our ever supportive lady minister, our associate pastor, our inspiring curriculum supervisor, distinguished members of the faculty and board, proud parents and guardians, dear friends and visitors, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today marks not only just a celebration of academic milestones of our kindergarten and grade 6 graduates, but also a moment of gratitude and joy to the realization of a long-awaited dream, the completion of our covered pathway project, and the procurement of a printer for the convenience and efficiency of our faculty and staff, and securing the 32-inch smart TV for our kindergarten. With humble hearts and overwhelming gratitude, we thank the local government unit of the Paso under the leadership of our ever-supportive Honorable Mayor Jeff Kimball for providing the majority of the construction materials. Without your generosity and commitment to education, this project would not have been possible. To Mr. Junior Laput and Mr. and Mrs. Mario Galon, thank you for the sand and gravel that laid the foundation of this structure. To Mr. Ernie Rodriguez and Mr. and Mrs. Harold Comboy, we extend our gratitude for the additional construction materials that fill in the gaps and kept the work going. To our dear parents, your 200 contributions, though small in amount, were huge in impact. Your shared sacrifice felt more than a halfway. It built a stronger community of support. To all our cash lovers, both inside and outside the school, thank you for believing in this vision and offering your help to make it real. To our dedicated faculty and staff, thank you for the unwavering support, tireless effort, and cooperation you poured into this endeavor. This was truly a team effort. Special thanks to Mr. Fermin, Pepe Alumni, for your initiative and persistence in following up the LGU, ensuring the release of materials in a timely manner. To my better half, Bernie Roy Amaya Jr., thank you for your unwavering support, tireless follow-ups, and personal appeals to Honorable Mayor Jeff Kimball. Ensure the timely release of materials, allowing us to complete the project before the school year ended. Your eagerness to seek out friends for additional funding made the acquisition of the office printer possible, and your sincere interest in securing a 32-inch smart TV for our kindergarten shows your deep care for our learners and their future. You are the silent force behind the success of this endeavor. To our visionary school administrator, Reverend Peter Paul Abaya, your hands-on leadership from the first day of the grace that we were given the strength, the people, and the provisions to make this dream a reality. Before we officially turn over the covered pathway, the printer for the faculty office, the 32-inch smart TV for kindergarten, the remaining construction materials and the remaining funds from the donations to our school administration, allow us to first read the names of our generous cash donors. Anonymous, LCSI Administration, Mrs. Rosel Lapin-Hizon, Mrs. Violeta Paho, Mrs. Salve Humphrey, Mrs. Julissa Esina, Dr. Richie Tokoro, Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Paladas Jr., Mr. and Mrs. Abelardo Tomoy, Mr. and Mrs. Rolando Campasas, Mr. and Mrs. Donald Kahaya, Mr. and Mrs. Bernadette Kahaya Jr., Mr. and Mrs. Gary Salva, Mr. and Mrs. Serisha Guzman, Mr. and Mrs. Vali Alaya, Mr. and Mrs. Roberto Apolado, Mr. and Mrs. Roger Pagaya, Mr. and Mrs. Mary Ann Sanido, Mr. and Mrs. J. Lord Salvia, Anonymous, Mr. and Mrs. Emily Alonios, Mrs. Noemi Apolado, Honorable Vice Mayor Relio Go, Honorable Pearl Annabel Caparin, Team Jupiter, Mr. and Mrs. Ignacio Acaso, Anonymous, my classmate, Mr. Popoy Villarito, Police Colonel Jim Tombok, Mrs. Eileen Dapio, Engineer Jose Noel Gonzalez, Captain Emerson Kahapon, Mr. J.J. Halospos, Mr. Jeremy and Mrs. Gerald Galon, Honorable Ampong Tipolo, Honorable Diador, Honorable Antigo, Mr. and Mrs. Jonah Realiza, Rolling Akas, Honorable and Mrs. Jojo Pinoso, Anonymous, Mary Jane Laurencio, Mr. Edgar Capabalwa, Mr. Renato Rosalen, Mrs. Rosemary Rosalen, 91st Manuary Company, Anonymous, and Mr. Bernie Tahami. Thank you once again to everyone who gave their time, resources, and hearts. This is more than a structure, it is a symbol of unity, love, and shared purpose. And now, with grateful hearts, after acknowledging the generosity of our cash donors, we, the parents, teachers, community association, PTCA, now formally turn over the completed covered pathway project to the Nabasong Christian School Incorporated Administration, together with the office printer for our hardworking faculty, the 32-inch smart TV for our kindergarten learners, the remaining construction materials, and the remaining funds from our kind-hearted parents and donors. May these gifts serve as lasting symbols of our unity, shared vision, and love for our children's future. Thank you, and may God bless us all.